Hello everyone, JoltEelan here, just checking the camera angles once again. So, huzzah, I actually did much better this time. I went 3-1. Are you kidding me? My phone was like, hey, you want to use Siri? No, I don't want to use it. Anyways, and it's Unified Minds, so I get to open them one day before they're officially open or released. But when y'all seeing this, it should be officially released. So hey, happy Unified Minds Day. Let's celebrate by opening 3 packs from 3 wins. Yeah. There we go. I want some out. There's a lot of really good cards here competitively. That looked hollow. That was weird. I don't know this set very well, and I can hardly see the cards. That's a drift one now. Dwebble? Oh god, it's that guy. Marini, that's a cutie. Ayala Fomantis and a Slykoth. Hey, we're starting off great with a Jirachi GX. Look at that shine. Ooh, that's awesome. I think this one's actually kind of good. Maybe. It has a pretty useful ability at least. So hey, I didn't pull anything. Nah, I didn't pull any Cherish Balls, which seem to be the poke gear of this one, so we can buy a booster box and not pull a single one. Let's not do that though. There you go. Let's see. I'm at the. Hey, I don't have that card yet. I'm at a friggin' Cherish Ball, huzzah! Hope they don't mind. I'm at a friggin' Waterburger recording this because there's a decent lighting. Hopefully the lighting's a little better this time. Pikachu. I'm not sure. And a Drifblim with bright shoes in the back. Oh, it was a Thunderous. Hey, and a Cresselia. Yeah, I'm just sort of looking through these because I didn't get to really look at them. I got a Cherish Ball, so I'm very happy about that. Last pack. Can we get some last pack magic? Can we get a Weavile? That's all I want in this set. This Weavile. Because I'm a hopeless fanboy who needs more Weaviles. Light? No. Truck, stay on, you stupid light. Complex. Number. Axew. Sunfisk. Gibble. Or, yeah, Gibble. The last card is a Terrakion holographic. We kind of blew our load early with that Jirachi, I guess. But there's that. This, you know what? All things considered pretty good. I hardly ever pull anything good in these, so it's nice to pull something that's not Melmetal. But here's our best card. Will you stop that? I didn't say anything. My phone went off again, like if I was talking to Siri. And it didn't go off when I hit... Oh my god. Thank y'all so much for watching. Here's a happy Jirachi. He's a cute little Jirachi. He's so cute. Look at her. I'm gonna grant you a wish. And what's your wish? I wish for more Weaviles in packs so I can get more Weaviles. I need 18. I don't know why I need 18, but just give me 18 and 18. Okay, fine. I'll settle for 5. Can you do that for me, Jirachi? Can you be better in this than you are in your own movie? Probably not. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore.